Hey guys, iMAT here, and today we have a solar powered watch. Yes, it's a quartz watch but does not require a cell inside it. It's the North Edge Evoque 3. We will talk about all of its details later in the video. First of all, let's find out what comes inside the box. So we have the North Edge Evoque 3. Then we get 1 year international warranty card which covers all of the materials and workmanship in the movement of the watch. And in the end we have the user manual to get you started and let you know about the specifications of this watch. Before we move further in the video, if you're new to the channel, a subscribe would be highly appreciated, and you can also visit the channel to find more related videos like this. So now let's go ahead and talk about everything in the North Edge Evoque 3. First of all, talking about the size of the watch, the body diameter is 42mm and the thickness is 13.7mm. The body material is 316L stainless steel and it weighs around 68 grams. So overall, I am really liking the look and also the thickness of this watch. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. After that, on the top we have a solar powered bezel. We will talk about it more later in the video when discussing the battery life of this watch. And if we talk about the straps, it is using 22mm real leather straps and they are removable. You can use the tool or any pin to remove the straps and use any 22mm straps with it. The straps quality is really good and I don't think that you will need to replace them. So let's try it out on the wrist. The straps length is 253mm and as advertised, it is ideal for the people who have a wrist circumference between 6.89 inches to 8.86 inches. So here's how it's looking on the wrist. What do you think about it? I am really liking the look. It has a very premium look and the leather straps are also looking quite good with it. Just to check out its look, I also tried it with the stainless steel straps and here's how it's looking with the stainless steel straps. Which one is your preference? Let me know about it in the comment section below. After that, if we talk about the inside, first of all we have the North Edge branding here, then we have the model name Evoque 3. After that, as advertised here, we have WR50M written here, which means it is water resistant up to 50 meters, so it can also be used while swimming. After that, we have a ticking seconds hand and the hours and the minutes hand here. So to adjust the time, just get it one step out and adjust the time here. And after adjusting the time, just push it back in and it will start to work. And another good thing is that the time markers as well as the hours and the minutes hand have luminous coating. So when in a bright area, it will absorb light, and once you go inside and move to a darker area, it will glow to help you see the time. And now let's talk about the bezel. First of all, it's a solar powered bezel. It can absorb light. Inside the watch, we have a 25mAh ML2016 battery, so even the faintest source of light can provide ample power, and once it is fully charged, it can provide you with a usage time of 180 days, which is truly insane. Another amazing thing about it is that unlike the mechanical watches, the tolerance is also amazing and the time veracity is 30 seconds per month only. So the user manual also mentions the charging time. For example, if you are in a room where the light intensity is 500 lux, it's gonna take a lot of time to charge the watch, but it will be enough to get the watch working. While in direct sunlight in summer, where the light intensity is 100,000 lux, it takes around 41 hours to fully charge. You might be wondering what's the use of this bezel other than charging the watch. So it's an aviation bezel. So the bezel's circular flight side rule provides multiple calculation functions, giving time a structured rhythm. It basically helps the pilots in calculating the fuel consumption, airspeed, distance, and the flight time. As of now, I'm not really sure how it actually works, but if you're interested, I'm gonna be leaving an article about it in the description box below. In the product detail, they have shared 6 usage scenarios where you can use it for multiplication of 2 numbers, division of 2 numbers, distance unit conversion, simple currency conversion, calculating flight landing time, and obtaining a landing timetable. And with this, we have covered everything in the North Edge Evoque 3. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase this watch. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also share your thoughts about the video in the comment section below. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.